Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a simple and quick fall makeup look. Today I'm starting with Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. Very good product to create a mattifying base for your foundation. It also smells very nice. Next I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This product is fantastic when you want to create a natural inner glow. Just apply it on the points where you want your face to have a subtle shine and then blend it really well. It will give a very minimalistic shine, but it will come through your foundation. For the foundation today, I'm using Dior Forever Foundation. It is a great lightweight foundation which feels really close to the skin and gives very natural finish. It also has SPF to protect from the sun damage. Just blend it really well. Now I'm using Maybelline concealer on my eyelids to make the skin tone more even, and for eyeliner I'm using Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. This is a very good product. The design of the brush is absolutely brilliant, gives so much precision and control while creating a wing. In this look, I'm extending liner towards inner corner to create a simple siren eye look. I think this will look great for the fall and add a little bit more of drama to your eyes. Now I'm just using a white powder to set the concealer, which I forgot before, so I'm doing it now. For the concealer, I'm using the same Maybelline concealer to conceal my under eye and blending it. Also, you should clean your eyeliner using this concealer from the bottom. It gives a very sharp eyeliner look. Now I'm using this NYX Cosmetics Wonder Pencil in like a beige white color and putting it in the bottom on the bottom of my eyeliner. Trust me, it looks so pretty in person. Like, it just looks really nice. I will also be using it in my waterline, and it helps to make your eyes look bigger and prettier. Next, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics blush stick. Apply it on the high points of your cheeks and then blend it upwards. As you'll see in my video, I will be blending it upwards. What this does is it creates it is a great technique to mimic the face lift. Your face looks more lifted when you apply it and blend it upwards. Now I'm using Kiko Milano bronzer to just get some warmth on my face. For the highlighter today, I'm using Makeup Revolution blush palette, but I'm using the highlighter. It is a very subtle highlighter, so it won't look very heavy, but will really give more natural glow on your face. Next, I'm using Revlon setting powder to set everything. For the lips, I'm using ColorPop Lippie pencil. I love its formula, so blendable. For lipstick, I'm using Marie Claire liquid lipstick. The shade is gorgeous for fall and winter. You know, the mixture of rosy, red, pink, all in one. Absolutely beautiful. For the lashes, I'm using Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara, my all-time favorite. It makes your lashes so long and voluminous, so pretty. So guys, that's all for today. As you can see, it's such a stunning, glowing makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.